studied about the basics of quadratic equation, that what is quadratic equation, why quadratic equation, what is the meaning of quadratic equation. We studied all about these things in our previous lectures. If you cannot understand, if you don't know about these things, then please watch my previous lecture. It is very important. Okay, in today class, on today class, we are going to solve some practice problems, some MCQs related to the GT exam. These are basically very important for the GT exam. Okay, therefore, I always focus on the question for the students. So because they will be easily pass the GT exam. Basically, in GT exam, the question comes like in the form of theory. The theoretical questions, I mean about like these are the theoretical questions. These are basically, this is the theory. Okay, the theory is Terry is 10 years older than his brother Thomas. This is the theory. Basically, these type of theoretical questions comes in GD exams. Okay, and these are very easily, you basically, you please don't be afraid from them. These are just very easily and to solve. You first of all, first of all, what would you do? You will just make an equation. You will just make the equation. And how can we make the equation? Now I am going to solve the question again. We solve it tomorrow, but I want to uh, do it little bit faster. Okay, so please, dear student, note very carefully, notice very carefully. Okay, and I am doing that. Okay, so let the Thomas age is t is equals to t. Okay, and the uh, Terry Terry age is so what is the age of Terry? Basically, the question is Terry is 10 times older. It means that the age of Terry. Oh, sorry. Let me write here. Terry. Okay. It means that the age of the Terry will be 10 greater than the capital T. The age of the Terry will be 10 years greater than the Thomas. Yes, this is the age of Thomas, and this is the age of Terry. It is 10 years greater than Thomas. Okay. Now, please read the question further. What is the question saying to us? Okay. Okay. So the question is basically 20 years ago. It means 20 years back. Okay. Let me write here 20 years back. I will write here plus 10 for this path order. 20 years back, like 20 years back. We will subtract like minus 20 years back. Terry was twice as the old as Thomas. Okay, this was a very critical point. Please, now first of all, just write the just write the Thomas age. So 20 years back, basically 20 years ago. 20 years ago, what will be the situation? Situation will be like Thomas age will be what? It will be t minus 20. Okay, and in question we are given that the 20 years ago. It's a very important point. 20 years ago, Terry age was 2 times of the Thomas age. So I am just writing according to the question. I am just writing according to the question. So basically, we have these type of things. Now we have to make the equation. How can we make the equation? Please, we can just make the equation. For example, please, how can we make the equation? Please note the thing. Okay. So the Terry age is this. Yeah, there is the Terry age. Okay, okay. There is the Terry age, and this is the Terry age. Okay. So what we can do basically, we can just equate them. We can just equate them. Okay. This is a very important point. Okay. This is a very important point basically. But let me start. Okay. Uh, so we have to form the equation basically. We have to make the equation for this. Now, please, dear student, note the thing. It is very important now. It is very important now, Jose. Okay. Basically, Terry is 10 years older than his brother. Okay, Thomas. This is the age of Thomas. This is the age of Terry. Now, this is the current age of the Terry. Please note the point. And For example, let me write here. Okay. Mm. Please talk about the Terry age. Terry age after, okay, after 20 years. Sorry, before 20 years. Like Terry age 20 years ago. 20 years ago. Like 20 years back. Okay. 20 years back. Now, basically, this is the age of Terry. Okay. This is the age of Terry. Yes. So what can I write? I can write like this: 10 plus t plus 10 minus 20, because the age of t. So let me tell you again. Okay, this was the age of current age. Basically, this is the age is current age. Okay, like the current age is 40. The current age is 40, and 20 years back. 20 years back, we will minus the 20 from the current age. Okay, very good. And now you can Nai the Kimi. Are you here?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So tell me, if the current age is 40, then what will be the age 20 years back?
Can you say again?
Okay, I am saying that so the like this is the thing main thing now. So this is the one form of the age of the Terry 20 years ago. The one form is this one, and another form we have is this one. This is also the age of the Terry after 20 years. After sorry, ago 20 years, 20 years back. Okay, let me write here 20 years back. Sorry, 20 years back. So this is also the same thing. This is also the same thing. And what we do in equations, uh, we just compare these two equations. We just, if the two things are same, if the two things are same, we use equation to show them. And basically, this is the main definition of the equation, that if two things are equal, these are represented by this equality sign. Okay. Now let me represent these by the equation, because tell us equation tell us that the two expressions are equal. Equation tell us that two expressions are equal. So what is this? Basically, this is the expression. This is an expression. So this is the expression, and these two expressions are equal. So this is the equation, simple, and you would just multiply two here and two here, and just solve it. It's a very like easy thing. Okay, it's a very easy task. Now please just simplify it, and you will get the value of t. Now let me get the derive the value of t. Okay, sorry, 2t minus 4t is equals to t minus 10. Okay, so please shift the t here and minus 40 to here, so the sign will be changes opposite. Okay, 2t minus t is equals to minus 10 plus 40. Okay, now it will be t, and I will get t is equals to 30 basically. So what is t? What is t? We have t. The t is basically age of Thomas. So we find the age of Thomas. We find it the age of Thomas. Let me write here age of Thomas. But the question is, what is the age of Terry? Now, Knight will tell us what is the age of Terry. If we know the age of Thomas, okay, what is the age of Terry?
The age of Terry is 40.
Okay, very good. So basically,
I
we
think
know, yes, 40, yes, exactly,
2 months.
because the age of the Terry
Teacher.
is the t plus 10. Very good. It is t plus 10, so exactly. So the age of the
Okay.
Terry age will be capital T plus 10, and we know capital T, it is like 30 plus 10, and 30 plus 10 is what? It is 40. Yes, Shiba, what do you want to say? Yes, Shiba, please. Do you have any question? Shiba Azad. Yeah, so let's students, these are some another questions, some other questions. These are very easy, please, and you will read this one by one. So please, spoke my, if you can read this question for us.
So should I read it?
Yes, please read the question number one.
Uh, Number one,
Yes.
in the name of Allah, question number one. A.
Uh, yes, please. Naida Kimi, please read for us. Question number two.
Okay, teacher. Question number two, for a fundraiser, um, Sandra raised three times as much money as Barbara, and Barbara raised 50 dollar more than Math. Together they raised $950. How much money did Barbara raise? Letter A, $1,050. Letter B, $1,075. Letter C, $200. $200. Letter D, $325.
Okay, very good. Shiba, can you explain this question in the Persian language to other students? Shiba, are you here? This is a very easy question. So first of all, this is a question, and for a fundraiser, okay, this is a fund. Basically, fundraiser mean that someone who collects money. Fundraiser means someone who collects money. Let me write here fundraiser. Fundraiser mean collecting money. Collect money. Okay. So Sandra raised three times as much as money as Barbara, and Barbara raised 550 more than Matt. Now there are two words. Let me write here with the red pen. The word is times. If the word times comes anywhere, let me write here with the red pen. It's star. If you see, you see the word. Which word? The word times. The times mean always multiplication. The word times mean multiplication. Okay, it's a very important thing. Okay, the word time. You see the word times. It always means multiplication. It means multiplication. It means multiplication. Okay, multiplication. You have to just care about the wording of the question. It is very important to care about the wording. If you don't care about the wording, then your equation will be wrong. Okay, then your equation will be wrong, and therefore you will not get the desired answer. So please note my these important points. Okay, now again read the question. Sandra raised three times. It means that three multiplication as much as money as Barbara. Yes. Let me Sandra money raised three times as much as money. So I will just show the Sandra with S, Barbara money with B, and Matt money with M. Okay. And it means 50. What is meant by 50 more than? It means that 50 will be added. Okay. So I am just writing the governing equations. First of all, fund raised by the mate, you will first of all write the you will first of all write uh the the less one, which is the less one among these, among all these. Sandra raised three times Barbara. This means that Sandra money is,
Math.
yes, very good. Who is this? Okay, very good. So it is mate. Now I will just write the mat money, mat mat money or fund one thing. Okay, yeah, it will be M, and what will be like? Let me again the question. Barbara, Barbara raised 50 more than. So okay, what will be the money of Barbara? It will be M plus 50. And what will be the Sandara money? Sandara money will be 3 times of the Barbara. This means that 3 multiplied by B. So I have to just, this is a very again simple equations and simple equation. Now this is the question basically. Now just move to the question again. Together they have raised the 950. It means the total. It means that the total money is the total is the let me write here. Total is the total is 950. It's a very important point. Now we will just add all of those things and just equal all these to 950. How can I do this? I will add the mat money plus Barbara money plus Sandra money is equal to 950. Okay. Now, what is the mat money? It is M plus Barbara money is what? We know the Barbara money is M plus 50. Yes, I will just put the M plus 50 here instead of B. Just put M, just putting for those values. Plus, what is the S money? S money is 3 multiplied by B. Okay, it is 9 is equal to 950. Now, again, we know the B. What is B basically? Just put the M plus 50 for B because the B is equals to M plus 50. It is written here. Okay, so we'll just put here M plus, I will just opening the bracket plus 50. I will get that plus 3 multiplied by M plus 50 again. Okay, and it is equal to 950. Now please plus these things. It will be 2M plus 50. Okay, plus 3M. 3 will be multiplied on the with those. Okay, 3M plus 150 is equals to 950. Now this is the equation, and we are going to just simplify this equation. It is very simple. Now 2M plus 3M. Please add the constant with same uh, variables. Please add the coefficients with same variable. Please add the coefficients with same variable. So what is variable here? Variable here is m. I told you before also in the chapter of equation. This is m and it is m. So the variable is m. Now what will be the? It will be 5m, and just plus the 50 plus 150. It will be 200 is equal to 950. Now I am just shifting this 200 to this side, and the sign will be changes. Sign will be changes, and I will get the like 950 minus 200, and 5m will be is equals to 750. No, it will be, yes, it will be like 750. Yes, and this implies that the m will be equal to like 5 divided by both side. I will add 5 on both side, and we will get the 750 divided by 5, and I will get the 5 multiplied by 1 5, and 2 will move here, 5 multiplied by 5 25, and 0 will be move upward, so it is 150. It is 150. Okay, so let me add another page, and I got the m is equals to 150. Now I will just I just find it the variable. Now I will just move to the question. What question demands from me? What question asks from me? Okay, it asks from the money of Barbara. So we know that the money of Barbara is the m plus 50. We know that the money of Barbara is m plus 50. So what is the m? We know the m, and just put the m here. It will be equal to 150 plus 50. Okay, and I will get the 200. Okay, so the answer will be 200. The answer will be 200. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer, and let me show you in the correct options. Okay, this is the answer, and we will just, where is the question? Okay, this is the question, and this is present here. It is 200. Okay, the correct option will be C. Now please, this is the third question. Okay, and sorry, let me start the recording. So this question is also very easy, just like the question we solved before. Okay, and this is the methodology is same. Methodology is same. We have to add some values. Okay, and the total thing is also given. At the end we will just make the equation, and we will equal those values to the 15. because it is total value to us. Okay, given to us. Okay, the total value of 15, it is given to us. Okay, three packages below weight a total of 15. The total is given to us. Okay, so the first, second, and third box is package. You can consider it is a box. Okay, no problem. Package or box is one thing. You don't be afraid of the wording. I am writing the question number 3 here, so please note it carefully. It is a very easy question again. Okay, it's a very easy question. um, okay, the first package weigh twice as much as the second package. So again, twice means two times. The two will be in multiplication. Two will be in multiplication as the second package. Okay, it's a very good. The third package weighs three times as much as the second package. Okay, now please tell me what is the what is the smaller packages in among all of these. Please respond in those type of question.
Second package.
Huh? What package?
Second package is
Yes, very good.
smaller
Very good, very
package.
good, excellent. I will also write with the red pen. Please always write the smaller value. Always write smaller, smaller value. Okay, this is a very important point for this. Now let me write the weight of the second package. Let me write here second package. Package is equal to x. Okay. Now what will be the first package? First package will be what? Ninth. Can you tell me? First package will be. If the
What
second,
teacher?
what will be the first package weight if the second package weight is x?
Um, Second package is X. First package 2X.
Yes, very good.
I don't know.
And the third package will be
3X.
no. Yes, yes, very good.
Second,
Yes, yes, very good. Yes, exactly.
3X.
Excellent. Okay. So let me write here. These students note the point. First package will be 2x because it is two time greater. It is two. Let me write here because it is twice. Twice or two times is one thing. Twice or two time is same. Twice the second package. So I'm just writing therefore. Okay. Now first package is 2x and the third package will be 3x. Now just we have given total and we know about the total. I am just adding all of these packages. I am just adding all of these packages and we know the total. What is the total basically given to us? Let me check the total. Total is given to us. It is a 15.
15.
Okay, very good. It is 15 and we will add these things. It will be 6x and is equal to 15. So let me check the answer because it is coming in the points. I okay. What is my third package weight three times is my second package twice is my second package. Okay. How many pound does the first package weighs? Okay. So please student the answer will be like 15 or 6. Now you can also simplify this. How can we do this basically? Like 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. No, sorry. I will use the 3 because I don't want to go into decimal point. I don't want to go into decimal. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. I will get the 5 by 2. It is x. So it is what is x basically? We know the x is the second package. But the question is about the first package. We have to find the weight for first package. Now if we know the x, it is the value of second package. I can easily found the value for the first package. Okay, how can we do this? Please note me. How can we do this? It's a very easy thing and very like simple exercise. Okay, so we know that what we know basically we know that the first package is equals to we know first package. Okay, we know first package is equals to 2 into x. Okay, Now we know about x. What is x? X is 5 over 2. Okay, it is a multiplication, obviously. Now 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and I will get the first package. I will get the first package is equals to the 5. Okay, 5. Yes, very good. So let me write here the 5. Okay, sorry, it will be 5, and the 5 will be our answer, because the 5 is also written in the question here. Okay, it will be 5.